methods to follow that. Hindu you should read. Okay, Hindu is good. Indian Express is okay, but Hindu is very good for IAS. So I will recommend for Hindu only. I am from Ahmedabad. Hindu is not available. I am reading IE. No, no, no. If you're reading IE, it's well and good. If Hindu is not there, then I is good. Okay, continue with that. But just I want to say, whatever you are reading, just try to write down the articles which are given, the editorial section in your own words. Try to frame that and try to write down. That's very important. Sir, how is environment? Environment, I have told you, Yojana is good for environment. NCRT 12th environment portion is good, and I think the magazines and the articles which comes is more than sufficient. Very poor in geography. How to begin? How to begin means you have to start with whatever you are being taught. Revise that. Go with the book GC Leong. GC Leong is a good book, or any other book you can go. Just know the concepts involved and try to study that. It's well and good. What is the incident that changed your life? How to answer such question? What is the incident that changed your life? Give a very optimistic incident. Give a very positive incident which made you to think on yourself, so that you are a much more, you can give positive contribution towards society and the country. This type of answer. What is balanced approach mean? Balanced approach means the same thing, which you're giving you neutral answers, which is not inclined or not biased, and where you're giving constructive input from your side. Security issues, I think Hindu is enough for security issues, because Hindu you will get a lot of articles, and some of the articles also have uploaded on ISG. So I think security issues are enough. I'm giving exam in 2015 and my preparation is self. So how to prepare? Self means again you have to follow the strategy. In the initial you have to follow 3 6 6 to 3 to 1. Try to get the knowledge, study books, jot down the points. After that, make it into 3 to 4 to 3, and then practice more questions. Try to write more, study more, revise more. We need to use very good English words in your answers. Obviously, good English words make a positive comment, but it's not that good English words are the relevant thing. What is important is your suggestion, your conclusion, how you're framing. But one thing I tell you, grammatical mistakes don't do. I have interacted with the evaluators of UPSC, and they have said that people are committing a lot of this mistake, the grammatical errors. Don't do this. This thing is very negative. Grammatical mistakes should not be there. Give up normal language, but it should not do. Any contact for sociology option? I think Mahapatra sir is good. I've heard about him. Any contact for that for sociology? GS economics and science and tech की वो suggestion, value addition and conclusion. Conclusion में फिर से वही आ जाएगा. Science and tech में भी वही होगा कि how you're going to have that, how it is going to impact India's interest. Then it is how it's going to follow the preamble to the Indian Constitution, this thing, and what was suggestion, how to improve that part, scientific, biotech part, how to improve that, and how to put those things, your inputs and all. Do vocabulary play important role? Obviously, it plays important role, but don't do grammatical mistake. Grammatical mistake should not be done. Sir, in essay, we can attempt the one that looks technical. Technical essays can give you more marks for sure. What was your language paper? I think the language paper was Hindi. Apart from the course syllabus and all, track books, whatever books I have studied here, I have referred here. No other apart from that. I have no option but to take civil engineering. Am I at disadvantage? No, you're not at disadvantage. Why? Because if you are very comfortable in that, I think, and if you have interest, you will be the top. You will be the topper of that subject. Sir, any tips for social reforms? For social reforms, I think Hindu is the best and one magazine. Every article of social reforms are वहाँ पे. Essay strategy. Essay strategy, I told you, try to include all that dimensions of the topic, but give a very futuristic, optimistic conclusion, and try to give maximum focus on your conclusion part. My weight is 1110. Will it have a negative impact on interview? No, it won't have that impact. You should be very optimistic from outside, not from the looks wise and all. Is it easy to score with humanities? Obviously, it's very easy to score. You can get very good marks, and then you can be a topper also, because in humanities you get a lot of expression-based answers. Any suggestion for public administration of in case of self-study? Go with the book. The Fadia wala book is very good. Go with that. That's sufficient. Tips for compulsory English. If you study for essay and GS, I don't think you should go for compulsory English preparation. Please give sample papers of answers that will be uploaded on ISG. Okay. Time devoted by you for last revision. Time was, I have told you, the strategy began at the last 1 is to 5 is to 5, 4. This was the time. 5 parts for revision. So last time is that. essay का कोई genuine evaluator बताओ sir in market. I don't know. I don't know any evaluator for essay. But wherever you are studying this thing. Multiple essays they say. Yeah, it's very easy. Multiple essays then it's well and good. You will have 1,000 words for one essay and 1,000 words. So it is more better. You don't have to write much. That's important. How to follow Supreme Court verdict from Hindu. Try to write down the Supreme Court verdict wherever you have written, and if you can write the verdict in your answers also, it is well and good. But if you can't write, it's not needed also. But try to study the verdict. Their verdict is very important. Pen to write means, please tell. Pen means I didn't get you what you're trying to say. Pen to write means like I didn't get how to e-notes or handwritten notes. I think handwritten notes is very good because it will be always in your mind, and e-note just to have a glance on that. Is it easy to score with humanities, that technical subject? Obviously it's easy to score with humanities. Don't feel humanities technical and all those things, nothing like that. If you are well equipped with your knowledge, answer writing, I think any book for aptitude and reasoning, I think RS Agarwal is good. Just go with that. Are 3 months sufficient for prelims? 3 months is sufficient for prelims. But you should be well acquainted with the concepts. Concepts matter the most. Okay. Any book for quant? Quant is again RS Agarwal, but don't go into much into quant and all. This is not going to help you. CSAT practice. Quant, get the concept and do a lot of practice. Practice is very important. Where did you get your essays evaluated? I got my essays evaluated by Dr. Khan Study Group. This year, UPSC may ask multiple essays how to approach. Multiple essay is very easy because you will have less words, 1,000 words only. 1,000 words means less to write. It is more easy. Tips for geo optional. Revise diagram map. Diagram map will help you to score more marks in geography. E-notes or handwritten notes is more important. Throw light to improve answer without faculty, or should I go to some college and all? I think answer writing, try to write answers, show to some faculties, because starting you will not be able to write good answers. But after 10 days, you will be enough. You can evaluate yourself. But starting may we do need some to evaluate. Okay. Apart from the course syllabus, what other do the track books used and all? Track books are mentioned here. So what to tell again and again? 3 months is sufficient for me. Obviously, it is sufficient. 3 months give maximum on your optional answer writing and GS answer writing. For international relation political science book, I think the book has been mentioned here. Where you evaluated your GS answers. In Khan Study Group, I evaluated my GS answers. But multiple essays will constrain our choices. No, it won't constrain your choices. It will basically give you more insight. Multiple things always is much better than single oriented thing. With which pen should we write mains? Oh, with which pen? Any pen you can write, but the pen should be very much clear. The handwriting should be clear. Blue pen is the best pen. I have used blue pen. Any no five, that five rupees pen, 10 rupees pen is also good. Please give book list for zoology optional. I will update it on IS Dream. Okay. Important books I have updated for the IRI and all. Given that this year only 3 months are there, should 3:3:4 be followed daily, or last month revision I've already done and all. See, for last month, put this ratio. If you want again, then 2:3:5. This is good. 2:3:5. Try to answer writing. Do maximum answer writing. That will really help. Will you write a book of GS4? I will try. I can't assure you, but I'll try. Specified e-notes as important. They can be edited or modified. What is your view? Obviously, e-notes are important. E-notes, handwritten notes, both are important. Both can be edited. It's not that only e-notes can be edited. Because when you write handwritten notes, you can definitely input your views on that. Time management in mains exam. Time management is again will come automatically when you write. You should have a focus of writing all answers. Every answer you have to attempt and try to put maximum time, like divide the time accordingly, 6 to 7 minutes for each answer, and try to write fast, and that will only come when you have a good answer writing skill. Books like Pax Indica, Argumentative in Indian Law, I think We don't have time to study this many books. So it's better you should not study hell lot of books. Study less, yeah. I am weak in science. Any suggestion? Go with the NCRT. No science. I think it won't impact you much if you're weak in this. In optional, we need colorful pens. Yeah, this is very good. In optional, you can definitely use that pens, that colored pens. But in your GS, try to use with pencil, the diagram of the pencil. Tips for lengthy option like geography. For geo thing, you must focus on your diagrams, maps. If you write your answers like this, you will get more marks. Basic approach for CSC, I told you, basic approach must be see. What thing is important? Motivation and patience. You should be highly more motivated and you should have patience for within yourself. The perseverance and the continuity factor must be there in order to give a maximum usage of your time. That is very important. Did you follow any coaching material for mains? Yeah, I followed KSG Khan study groups material. In optional copy pasting, I also he reads an answer. I'm not getting one. During the preparation, how to tackle with the period of frustration? This is very good question. Now I'm going to deal with the topic on frustration and the negativity. We are going for this long period of exam and we get a lot of the negative thoughts that whether what result will be there for positive or negative and all that. So don't worry, you know, everyone is equal here. No one is at the advantage or disadvantage. Everyone is equal. What is the need is you have to give maximum on the positive thing. You have to be very positive from inside. You have to think that you are well acquainted, you are much more better than others, and don't be negative. And you have to utilize all your hidden potential. You have a lot of potential. I'm telling you, if you from now also you start studying, I bet you will be the top 5 ranker in first attempt. I'm saying. So just with that positive attitude, start your approach and be very affirmative, be very positive, and be very patient. Don't think of frustration. This will come. This will surely come. But be very energetic, very positive, very enthusiastic, and just go with that. Will you write a book for GS4? Yeah. I told you. Which GS you took from Khan Study Group? What did you do different to get 142 in GS4? GS4, what I did was I just wrote answers how I told you. My GS4 answers was of ethics. Ethics, I divided my answers into ethical terms, ethics, and Indian Constitution, law and order, Indian nationality, all those things. So try to do that. Okay. How to stay motivated? Just think of the 3-letter word IAS and think it is after your name. Think that if you will be having that zeal and you will be and you will feel I have to work hard to be motivated to give my best and to be selected this year. Should we study alone or seriously with groups and all? I think alone is also good for groups. 1-2 hours is okay, but alone is much better. Post-independence history is really difficult. Something. Post-independence history, try to learn the facts which are like Nehru model, all those models. Try to learn that and consolidate it. It is not that tough. If you are studying modern history, it's more than enough. Did you expect high marks in GS4 or was it a surprise? I expected good marks, but not 142. I expected good marks because I wrote all my answers based on Indian Constitution, law and order, and Indian nationality. But ethics was also there. Sir, how to contact you in future? Any mail ID? Yeah. I'll message you right now. Mail ID is there, isdream.com. You can write there, and some mail ID will be sent to you. You can write there. My first attempt at the age of 27. I should give prelims of 24th August. Obviously, you should. Why he's rank 3, I can see not everybody's cap. Will you write a book for GS? Obviously, I'll write a book for GS, but not now. It takes time to write a book. So to all the aspirants, I really want to wish them that be happy, be motivated, be positive, be patient, and go for this exam. 9 months is more than enough to prepare for this. When did the thought of IS come to your mind? Actually, I started from the what I can say after my graduation. Bipin Chandra. I think I'll go for Bipin Chandra. I'll go for Bipin Chandra. Bipin Chandra is a good book. Will you write a book for GS4? Yeah, I will. You're writing the same thing again and again. Can we write answers without completion of course syllabus? You can write. It's not needed. Write the answers. Get how you're going to integrate the topics. That is very important. My heartbeat drives up when looks at the rate of monitor going will read my question and answer. Idea to read Bipin or any book. I think Bipin is more better. How is the spectrum modern in Indian history? Spectrum is okay. It's okay. You can go for a glance. Mm, my heart. I have left my IT job after working 4 years to follow my dream. Now I'm doing self-study from last 3 months. Very good. Have patience, have positive attitude, have focused approach. That's the best thing. And just be confident. How to approach for prelims exam, round wise or question wise. See, for prelims exam, you should go round wise. Why? Because first round is basically when you are confident. When you go through all the questions, you know you are very confident for 25 to 30 questions. Try to attempt that, and then go for the elimination option. Okay. Ashutosh is asking about that for writing book thing. Okay, I'll write. I did my in 2000 and now I'm preparing for prelims in next year. Any negative impact? No negative impact on interview. Interview is all about your personality, how you're going to deal. It's nothing like your graduation and all those things. I'm not willing to join. What should I do so that I can crack? Be very specific in your self preparation. Study well, what to study, what not to study, and then just have a focused approach and deal with that. Any word of wisdom on interview? Because of now, you must have it analyze something. Any word of wisdom on interview? Interview means what? Interview is basically your personality. Just go and give your best. Be positive. Be very truthful to yourself and to the people. Rachit, by listening to you, I feel very much more motivated. Will give you a guide. Okay, thank you so much. Is Cooler sufficient? I think GC Leong is also good for geography. It's good. Your definition of success. Success is that which gives you satisfaction, nothing more than that. This is the only best definition of success. Success is that which gives you definition, nothing more than that. What to study, what not to study. I already told what to study, what not to study. Short notes of every topic is important. I don't think short notes of every topic is possible because we all are students here. We all like to enjoy. So just give your best. Okay, just give your best, and a form of consistent approach is very important. That's what is needed. What all for geography pre and mains? For geography, I told you the books, and some books are mentioned. You follow them. That's more than sufficient. Okay. I'm very eager to listen. What are you telling in video? But now I can't do this slow. I'm sorry, your internet speed is slow. I can't do for that. If we follow this, would be required last month revision. Last month you should 3:3:4 is okay. You can do this for last month. Do 2:4:4. 4 for revision, 4 for answer writing or question practice. Will you keep guiding? Yes, obviously I'll keep guiding. I really feel satisfied when I guide some people, and people are positive for that. When to start study for optional? I think as you're preparing, you can start study. I started my optional after my prelims. But you don't have time so much. You have only 3 months, so you should start prelims earlier on. For optional earlier only. Unable to sleep in the night before exam. Any tips? No, no, no. Don't follow this. You should try to give a better. You should try to have a sound sleep, healthy sleep, everything. Okay. No offense meant, sir, but sir, what went wrong in interview? I don't know what went wrong. Everything was fine. I don't know. Interview is very subjective, so it's better not to talk on that. Sir, please mind why you got less marks in interview. Interview, I don't know. Even I don't know. In forest, I got 198 marks, and here I got that much marks. So it's a very much more subjective. How to eliminate options while attempting for prelims? Try to be thinking. Try to think what is correct, what is not correct, and then try to justify your stand and take that option. Okay. So now one thing I want to suggest you all, be very much optimistic, be very much positive. Many questions you will get as bouncer. Don't panic, don't worry, just be positive, be very much self-directed and give your best. If you're positive and honest to your hard work, definitely success is with you. Definitely. My one conclusion will be I'll say a slogan. See, when I started to walk, when I started my journey was full of thorns. ठीक है? जब मैंने अपना रास्ता शुरू किया, my journey was full of thorns. कांटे भरे हुए थे. But I continued. मैंने वहाँ continue किया. And those thorns changed into roses. वो सारे कांटे जो हैं गुलाब में बदल गए. इसका मतलब है कि when you continue your path, when you enjoy your journey, all the hurdles will become a smooth sail for you, and you will be an IS officer. top ranker, top 5 ranker, and in first attempt for sure. But only thing is, put maximum continuity approach, focused approach. Some people have written, should we study options in GS? Yeah, you can study that thing for daily also. Sir, how to mug up Manorama or Yojana? Don't mug up. Try to read and write. Don't mug up anything. Was your confidence down? No, no, no. My confidence was very high in that interview day. Working professional to examine my answer. Just try to write your answers, get it evaluated by someone at least. So that in the initial 10 days you are much confident. Yeah. Why are my front? What according to you made your preparation distinct and made you confident? Preparation, what preparation was the answer writing? I'm telling you, last my suggestion is focus on your answer writing skill. If your answer writing skill is with you, no one can stop your selection. So this is for sure. Thank you. Some people are saying drink water, sir. Thanks for your suggestion. Focus on answer writing. Answer writing skill is very, very important. Very, very important. And thank you, Ashutosh, for making me to feel like I'm a bit thirsty. Thanks for that. And of 750 marks, how much you were able to do? I did for the entire marks, but I was knowing only 60% of the questions. But I wrote in entire question. Okay. Thanks, brother, for being so. Everyone I'm telling, just don't mug up anything. Revise, write down whether it's Yojana, PD, and all. We all, one should be very much focused, patient, and have a lot of truthfulness with your orientation. Be very truthful that you are working for yourself, for the society, for the country. Give your best and try to achieve maximum. Okay. All the very best to you all, and hope to see you all time. And how to communicate with me on isdream.com. Communicate with me. I'm very happy. I really felt very good, and really thanks, Rohit. And second thing, I just want to say, be very much optimistic and positive, and just give your best. And I'm here for you. If you have any help, any doubt, anything, I'm here. And all the very best to you all. And finally, I want to say, be patient, motivated, have positive attitude, and do share your thoughts and everything. And it was really nice experience with you. And I think I'll contribute. I'll say all the very best to you. Do your best and be selected. Meet me in Missouri, and I want to see you all as an IS officer. All the top rankers, I want to see. All the top rankers, I want to see. Everyone who is here, I want to see as the top 50, top 10 rankers. So I will be very happy. Just thank you and give your best. Okay. So come on. Bye bye. See ya.